Some events don't need a reason. They start with a message, a time, a place, and a feeling you know well. You are the woman who treasures togetherness, who understands that laughter itself is a form of elegance. Style for you becomes more beautiful when shared with those who matter. Because you find joy in conversation, in connection and spontaneity. You dress not to impress, but to fully enjoy the moment. And friendship. Friendship fuels your confidence and energy, and you believe that celebration doesn't need an occasion. For you, these moments are sacred. It's not about the venue or the crowd. It's about the people who make you feel complete. At first, it's simple. A familiar drink, a shared story, a laugh that feels good. But soon, the energy builds. Conversations flow, secrets are shared, and you lean in, fully present. And in these moments, you stop worrying about appearances. You are not trying to impress or adjust because you are free. Free to be yourself, to move, to laugh, and to live fully. And what you wear is not just fabric. It's a part of you. A RaluFineArt scarf that moves with your rhythm, catches the light with your every gesture, and stays effortlessly elegant, no matter of the moment. You don't think about it. You just feel good in it. Because luxury isn't about standing out. It's about feeling completely yourself in the moments that matter. This is for you, for your stories, your laughter, your timeless elegance. RaluFineArt, made for moments you don't want to end.